Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Chameleon Girl Gina, and I know I don't give you guys a whole bunch of makeup looks, but upon request, I decided to give you guys a couple of looks this month. So with that being said, if you like this Barbie doll pink look that we got going today, then stay tuned and see how I achieved it. Yeah, so anyway, I think a lot of people have this one. It's a mini palette and it's just 6 colors, but I've done this look before, so I'm going to be recreating it. So then after I do that, then I'm just of course going to pat that a little bit. You know what I mean? Just because I don't want it to just be in one area. But I want it to lighten up my lid so that, like I said, these colors pop. I remember when I did it before, I started with, I feel like I started with this hot pink right here. And I want, okay, let me see. Yeah, I want to start with that very, very hot pink. Now with what is left, I'm going to start bringing it in. As you guys can see, then it's starting to blend. To make sure this is being on there very lightly, I like to hold it almost at the end, okay? Because when you hold it towards the middle and especially at the top, you're applying more pressure. We don't really want to do that. We just want it very, very, very light, and we want to do it so soft. The next thing that we're going to do, this pink reminds me of Barbie, right? This reminds me of just that Barbie, that classic Barbie. So we're gonna go in with that. Something about these types of brushes, they pick up that pigment better than just a flat eyelid type brush. So then what I'm going to now do is pat that in. And I want that to be concentrated on that lid. I just like this look. I don't care if it's fall, winter. I really liked when I did this. It better come out like it did when I did it. And it better. I hope it do. And we're gonna kind of go in. We want that crease. See, I'm gonna do it. I'm going in here, and I just want to have that fade into that. This is the real Barbie pink to me, the middle. But I want to kind of overlap it so that I'm customizing that pink. Okay, and this is, wait, everybody can see it on both ends. That is like flat but fluffy. It just, I don't know, I just learned that. It just picks up better, all that pink up. Hope you guys can see that little effect where it's like the lighter pink, medium, and dark. This is what I've gotten recently, and I'm thinking that I like it, so we're gonna try this today. This is my most recent favorite though. This is a Dose of Color foundation, and this is definitely on the matte side. I like it. They say medium to full coverage. I feel like it's full. Now these two, this is the Fluidity by Morphe. Bingo. And with these, I'm liking them. So it's day by day. I think that's pretty. After every now and then, smile for the people. Okay. So now this is the contour that 7-Eleven had. Yeah, and they had other makeup, but this is like faded. What is this, like 9 months, 12 months? And then after that, we're gonna I'm gonna use some banana powder. I like this one, it's by Dermablend. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is just pat that on there. And I don't over bake because, again, you know what I mean, with age comes crow's feet, lines, or whatever. But, you know, thank God I ain't lived a hard life, because I guess it'd be worse. But anyway, I'm just gonna leave that there because I don't want my skin, you know, like leakage. And then something else I stopped doing is putting a bunch of powder on my nose, because at the tip, I just like to more so like give it a squeeze and then put a little bit there. Just a little bit, because I'm gonna just blend it out. And then my chin has just a little bit. And then over here, I'm gonna put more of that product because I want this line to be pretty sharp. And so, there we go. Anyway, y'all see, I got the Michael Jackson effect. See? She laughed and my daughter was laughing. Okay. Anyway, you know, I do have a wider nose, but I love it. I used to hate it. It's funny how God will give you an appreciation for yourself that you never had. Then I like to go in and I like to pat it in, and then I move up under the eye so that, you know, I can avoid that creasing. I just like to pat it in, so just beating more. Okay. And we want to do this last because we want that boldness. I do, you know what I mean? So I want to take a brush, and I like angled. That's just what I like. And I want to get my cheeks a little rosy while getting rid of that hard line, okay? So not the easiest thing to do, but you know, it's something that you can accomplish. So I'm gonna use this. It's more on the pale side, and it's a MAC. So I hope I have another one of these, because I just use this one for two different things. Okay. So anyway, I want this pale pink, and then I'm gonna just be digging in because it is pale. So anyway, I got to dig on in there. And then I'm gonna pat, and I'm gonna smile. Because I want my cheeks to look like I'm happy. I don't wanna look like, with this line. So anyway, I like this, I love this over bunches and bunches that I've tried for the eye. I think I like it. I don't think I like felt tip no more. If it's up to me, no lashes, but for the sake of this video over here, then we're gonna have to put some on. Which is my least favorite part. Did you get me some tweezers?
Oh yeah.
Okay, what lashes am I doing? Just this? Okay, anyway, this is just, who is this? Yeah, I would like this. It's cute. Midnight Luxe House of Lashes. This is like, it's a highlighter, but I love it because it's like this. I gotta swatch it for you guys. You see that? I want to get this pink right here, and I just want to pat it. And the reason why is because I don't want no harsh line of pink. I don't like that. I don't like do that. I just want it kind of where it's blending over the deepest part. Last thing we're gonna do is this. This is, I like Dosa Colors like soft lipstick, not their mattes. Their mattes are beautiful, but oh my god, they are actually really beautiful, but it just feels like they dry my lips. And I'm not a big lip liner person, but you know, so that's why I'm not using any, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. It's just not something that I just sit there and do for you guys often. I more so play around with makeup, or when I do record, it's on my Facebook. But anyway, I enjoy doing this. look today, and I hope that you guys like it as much as me. I don't even like that shirt. Okay. But in the meantime, do me a big favor and enjoy the rest of your day. But before you do, don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless.